Many commercial kitchens turn to Pitco to fry up all sorts of delicious goodies. Cleaning your fryer daily keeps it running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. We'll show you the proper steps for cleaning a Pitco SG fryer daily. Let's get started. First, make sure you have all the necessary supplies for this task. Start by turning off the fryer. Then filter out the oil by installing the drain pipe and opening the drain valve. Remember to let the fryer cool down before proceeding. Remove the baskets, tank rack, and hanger. Make sure to wear protective gloves in case the items are still hot. Once the fryer tank is cool, scrub it with a nylon brush. Carefully brush by the heating tubes and sidewalls to remove any crumbs or sediment. Next, scrub the tank with a damp pad. This helps you to remove any stuck-on oil or carbon buildup in the tank. When you're done scrubbing, wipe the residue with a damp cloth. Then, use a separate cloth to dry the tank. Carefully dry all surfaces, including the area below the heating tubes. Make sure to remove any buildup of water in that area. Apply a solution of warm water and mild detergent to clean the stainless steel exterior. Use a separate cloth to dry the exterior. Take your fryer baskets, tank rack, and hanger to a sink. Clean with warm water and mild detergent. You can scrub with a cloth, brush, or sponge. With a dry cloth, wipe down each component carefully. It's important that you dry these by hand and air dry before reinstalling. Once they're completely dry, install the baskets, tank rack, and basket hanger to the fryer. Well, that's how you do it. For more preventative maintenance tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit partstown.com.